Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a magnetic gray 2015 Toyota RAV4 XLE, stock number A7145. You have factory fog lights up front. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Continental cross-contact tire. Inside there's a power sunroof and you have a black cloth upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger RAV4. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a backup camera here. And inside of the trunk, as you can see, it is very clean. You do have a cargo cover, and that second row seating folds into a 60-40 split to give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this RAV4 today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. On the left side of the steering wheel, there are audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have additional audio controls. There is cruise control here. And then coming over to the center, this is where your backup camera will display. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 29 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Toyota or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.